Now let us take a problem so that we can understand these, what is mean, what is variance, and what is probability mass function, what is probability density function. We can study all these things even when you take a problem and analyze it. There is a problem given here. A coin is tossed twice. I'm taking the same example because you'll understand better. A coin is tossed twice. A random variable x represent the number of heads. What is x representing? X is representing the number of heads. So turning up, find the discrete probability distribution for x. This is the probability distribution for x. Okay, they have asked to find probability distribution of x. We have done it. I'll explain how it is done. Using this, we have to find mean and variance also. There is a question. Now, if you toss the coin twice, these are the possible number of outcomes in the sample space. Therefore, S is equal to HH, HT, TH, TT. This is a common thing which we know. Total number of elements in the sample space is 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So n of s is equal to 4. Since the random variable RV I have written in short form, random variable is a short form for RV is a short form for random variable. Here the random variable x is what? Number of heads. How many heads are there here? 2. Therefore x takes the value 2. And here also there is only one head, therefore 1. Here also there is only one head, therefore 1. Here there are no heads at all. Therefore, it's a variable. The sample point, that particular sample point TT will have the value, random variable value 0. So, what is the range of this x then? 2, 1, 0. Now, what I have done, I have found the probability of these things. Probability of both heads. How many possible combinations are there like that? How many HHs are there here in this? How many HHs are there? Only one HH. So, therefore, 1 divided by 4. 1 divided by 4. Then probability of HT or TH, because one head is present here, because we have to consider only the number of heads. Probability of one head or probability of one head, forget about types. So it will be P of 1. So this is P of 2. 2 means both heads. What is 2? 2 means both heads. Both heads, the combination having both heads is only 1. Therefore 1 by 4. The combination of single head is 2, because there are 2, 1 and 2. There are two values of x which takes one head in the distribution. Therefore, it is 2 divided by 4. Since there are two values of x having one head, it is 2 divided by 4. 2 divided by 4 is 1 by 2. Similarly, probability of both tiles. Both tiles, the distribution is having only one outcome having both tiles. Therefore, it is 1 divided by 4. 0 is nothing but there are 0 heads here. 0 means what? P of 0 means probability of 0 heads. Probability of 0 heads is 1 by 4. Why this one? Because there is only one possible outcome of that type. Therefore, it is 1 by 4. Now, let me list the values of x and the values of P of x in the order. Values of x 2, 1, 0. I have written in the ascending order 0, 1, 2. Probability of 0. Next column is P of x. X means 0. So probability of 0. Probability of 0 is 1 by 4. It is written here. Probability of 1. Probability of 1. So it is 1 by 2. It is written here. Probability of 2. So probability of 2 means 1 by 4. That is also written here. Now, I have found a term called x square. I will tell you why later. Before I come to third column, I will go to fourth column. X into P of x, because summation of x into P of x is mean. So I want to find mean. Therefore, I will take the product of x and P of x. X into P of x, sorry, not x into f of x, it is x into P of x. 0 into 1 by 4, 0. 1 into 1 by 2, 1 by 2. 2 into 1 by 4, it's written here, 1 by 2. Now add all these x into P of x. If you add all these, 0 plus half plus half. Half plus half is 1. So what is mean now? Mean is equal to 0 plus half plus half, that is 1. Now come back to third column, x square, because I need x square in V formula. V stands for variance. So I want x square, therefore I have squared x. 0 square is 0, 1 square is 1, 2 square is 4. Multiply this x square with P of x. That will be the next column. X square into P of x. Okay, x square into P of x is the fifth column. Multiply the elements of second column and third column. 0 into 1 by 4 is 0, 1 into 1 by 2 is 1 by 2, 4 into 1 by 4 is 1. Now add all these things, you will get 3 by 2. 1 plus half is 3 by 2. So I have added here. So where it is written somewhere. X square here. X square into P of x. Summation of that is 3 by 2. So what is the formula for variance? Variance is equal to sigma x square px minus sigma x into px whole square. So here what I need to do is I can find the variance using this formula or this formula. First I will explain how we can do by using this formula. X square sigma x square p of x, it's already done here. How much it is? 3 by 2. Substitute it. Minus sigma x into p of x. Sigma x into p of x is here, that is mu. So how much it is? 1. So 1 square. So it is written here. 3 by 2 minus 1 square. 1 square is 1, 3 by 2 minus 1 is half. So variance is what? Half. The same answer we get even if you apply the other method. So I have written separate 2 columns for that. See, we need x minus u summation of x minus mu whole square into p of x. That is the formula for variance. Another formula for variance. So therefore, I have taken x minus mu whole square first. Mu is already calculated here. What is value of mu? 1. So x minus 1 whole square. So x is here. 0 minus 1. Minus 1 whole square is 1. Next 1 minus 1. 1 minus 1 is 0. 0 whole square is 0. Next 2. 2 minus 1. 2 minus 1 is 1. 1 square is 1. Now after finding x minus mu whole square, you have to multiply that with p of x. Means the sixth column element is multiplied with second column element. 1 by 4 into 1, 1 by 4. 1 by 2 into 0, 0. 1 by 4 into 1, 1 by 4. Now add all the seventh column elements. So 1 by 4 plus 0 plus 1 by 4. 1 by 4 plus 0 plus 1 by 4. 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4 will be half. So whether you do by this method or using means, if you find, you will get the same result. So this is a simple problem to demonstrate how we can find the mean and variance of a probability distributive function.